mental disorders are becoming more common now. It is all because of these reality shows.
Entertainment doesn't mean to play with anyone's emotion.
Reality shows should be banned in India.
Because it is directly impacting all of us.
Okay, so hi everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, one of the representatives of Bury English Academy, and today guys, we are again back with the students of Titans, and today we have got very argumentative session. We do have these students, and today guys, we are going to have a discussion over the controversial reality shows. There are many reality shows which have become the most popular way of entertainment, and of course these shows are also creating heated debates among the society, and we do have right now even. So we are going to have a discussion over this topic, that reality shows should be banned or not. So we are going to start with these students. Here we go.
What we see, what we learn. There is very much relation between those things. What we see, those things we learn very easily. We all know now time controversial reality shows are increasing too much. In all over the world, we see many type of reality shows. Some are good for our mind, but some are not good. Who are controversial, which contains violence, abusive words, or many things which are not good for our human mind. If I talk about that, why these type of shows should not be banned, the controversial reality shows. In these, there is many things which supports that it should be banned. But I say these shows should be not abolished because it will remove a choice. Many people are there who want to go under these type of choices, who have a creative mindset, who have something else, have something different from all society. And second point comes freedom of expression. We can't ban any show, anything like this only because a freedom of expression is there. Anyone can speak, anyone can say something by this law, or you can say by this article under the constitution. My third point comes the economic impact. We all know how it will impact our economy. In India, you all know that these type of reality shows increase too much TRPs. So in this, they earn so much of money, and after that, they will pay, of course, much taxes. So I think this contains many economy and GDP.
Today's youth is watching these kind of shows, which is really affecting our society. How? Because these kind of shows promote misleading and fake argument and content, which is really bad for us. We are fighting for our favorite creator who is in that reality show, but what they are doing, they are enjoying, they are earning money. Because of that, we are wasting our life. We are not focusing on studies, we are not focusing on achieving our goals. The second main reason which comes, that in that they also promote aggressions. We have seen in reality shows, they just always go for the fight and they promote aggression, which is not good for us, because if we are watching, we will learn this thing same as it is they are doing. So I think we should not watch these kind of shows, and this kind of shows should be banned.
I believe somehow everyone wants to be successful. Everyone wants to have fame. And therefore, if anyone wants to have fame, so for that, a person really have to be like violent or somehow in limelight. And that can only happen if a person will be going to reality shows. As we know that reality shows are the one that can actually do in the best way, because somehow fame is the one thing that can actually do in the best way, because somehow violence or anything can be there. Like we are having many shows such as India's Got Talent too, that even creates opportunities and even fame. Many people because of that actually got a lot of jobs, a lot of fame just because of that particular thing. Like that only we are having many shows that can actually encourage the fame. And even I believe that today management industry is one of the things that is getting encouraged just because of the reality shows, as they are having more jobs just because of this thing only. So I personally believe it can be really advantage for the management industry and for all over the economy only, I believe, because it is directly impacting all of us.
Yeah, it sure is impacting the entire world actually. You know, these kind of controversial reality shows attract a lot of audience. They get huge TRP. And what they are showcasing in the reality shows, they are showing aggressiveness, abusive words, wrong language. And it is all stupid content. It does not make any sense. If you're providing information, you know, these kind of reality shows are for showcasing the reality. As Nachiketa had said, it is for showcasing showcasing the reality, but in a positive manner. You are there to watch the TV shows to get entertained, but what you're getting as a source of entertainment, you're getting these kind of regressive thoughts, these kind of manipulative thoughts, and your mindset gets manipulated in such a way that you start thinking negatively. One of the main reasons why mental disorders are becoming more common now, it is all because of these reality shows. People are becoming aggressive. They believe in solving problems by showing aggressiveness, by just fighting. These kind of the reality shows are the main source of that. The roots lie here. Shows like India's Got Latent, Roadies all promote aggressiveness, and I think these should be banned instantly, and more informational content should be broadcasted on a large scale.
You are whatever you mentioned, it's all true, and a beautiful point that was stated by Adarsh, that a point that whatever you see, whatever that you learn. So same that you are watching the arguments, you're watching the fights, you're watching whatever they are speaking, whatever the bad word they are speaking, you're learning that, and you would definitely implement in your life. You would just before becoming cool guy, you would definitely use with your friend in your friend circle and the known person who are with you.
So here I want to interrupt you. Like as you have mentioned that it impacts our mental health. Like India stands at 126th out of 143 countries in happiness index. Like we really need to make it shows how stressful our lives are. So these shows like reality shows like India's Got Latent and many other comedy shows which are there, it helps us to entertain and get rid of our stressful lives.
Sorry to interrupt you, but
Wait,
here,
let me complete.
okay.
So the point here I want to mention is that it helps us to release our stress in our daily lives, and it is your personal choice which shows you want to choose. There are many shows available out there. It is a personal choice of a viewer which shows he wants to watch. There are like n number of shows according to age also. There is a certain restrictions also for the age criteria to watch that particular show. It does not like anyone can watch it. It should be viewed within a
Like
supervision.
you mentioned that there is an age limit, as you know about. There mostly it is also available on YouTube, and there is no any age limit. Anyone can watch this. First of all, the kids who are the teenagers who are the more young, they are mostly attracted towards this, and they
YouTube
attracted.
has a
using
age
it.
disable feature. If you know that, if you disable the 18 plus age criteria, it will show only the things which are available for your age category. It
Like,
will not show
this
everything
time
and
if you are-
anything to you.
this
It is
time-
your personal choice what you want to watch.
This time you are saying that we are aware that it can be removed, it can be restricted. So kids are more aware of this, that they know that how to remove this, and whatever they want, they will definitely watch this. The second, I would say that you mentioned that it doesn't harm. Like since 1972, it has been watched by the Indian people, and it haven't taught us anything, a single thing that we learn. There is nothing. Just
Entertainment
we
is
learn.
made not to teach you anything. It is made to entertain you, make your life happy. It is not an educational video. It is made for entertainment. You can get learnings from your school. Your many other videos are available for learning. That particular
To
video.
decrease- to decrease the stress-
But is this form of sexual content and abusive content a source of entertainment? No, it cannot possibly a source of entertainment for even the adults and even the kids. You know, a right kind of content should be provided to the audience. But talking about these kind of shows, they are not providing information. They are just leading to brain rot. Brain rot is one of the most common problem now. Why? Because people are not watching content that is actually useful. What are they even spreading in the society? Abusive content cannot possibly be the source of entertainment. I think there should be age restrictions. There should
There
not
is
be.
already
No,
an age
let me.
restriction.
I misspoke. Let me complete. I am saying that these kind of contents, even with the age restrictions, are not the right content for any kind of audience, whether that be the kids, whether that be the adult.
So why are there millions of views on that particular videos? If
Yeah,
they are
that is the major concern. You know,
Why
these
it is a major concern? If you are going to ban a particular show audience will get something else to get that thing.
You know,
It is
I would
not-
tell you why
it
these.
is just
I would tell you why these.
particular
Why this is.
industry and maybe
I would like to tell you why this is a
Yes.
major concern. See, the major audience are that of the teenagers, the age group between 13 and 18. This is a very fragile phase because children are learning a lot of things, and this is the kind of information they are getting. These are the kind of content they are watching. The ideas they are grasping in their mindset. That is
You
a
have mentioned
concern. That is why
age criteria
that
13
is why.
to 18. That is the age.
No, let me tell you.
Their parents need to supervise what
Why is this
their
issue?
children are watching. It is
Why
not
is this
a
issue even popping out in the media so much? It is spreading so much now. Why? Because people have finally realized that these kind of content are ruining us, and that is the problem.
These kinds of contents are there from 2000, but why only this year this content came into limelight? What is the reason behind it? Just to suppress the media, the freedom of speech. If we are going to suppress these kind of shows,
But if you are talking about the age restriction, so shows like Big Boss and Splitsvilla, which are coming on TV, there is no restriction on TV. Anybody can watch that. And the main problem of these shows is like they are just promoting conflicts and drama. They are more focusing on TRP. They are not showing the real skills and talent, and they are just degrading the women and just objectifying the women, because we all know that how what is the mentality of Indian people, and shows like these are also promoting they're just objectifying the women.
I believe that banning anything can never be a solution. If you want to stop some production, you can, but banning anything can never be a solution. For an example, if I talk about tobacco, so if you are banning it, it is going to be produced anyhow. So stop production of it. I'm saying that if you really want to ban a kind of reality show, you can go and restrict some parts, like go and work upon scripts. This can be a solution. Banning can never be a solution. If you are going to ban, then it's going to be completely fine that you are lacking behind in creativity. You will be having only one or two option like dancing, singing, and these all. You will never be focusing on roasting and comedy. So creativity is going to lag behind.
Well, one thing Jiyadi really mentioned was that every time you should actually not watch these types of things, which is promoting violence and all those things. But we all know that how much our brain is. We know that brain is not a machine. It cannot actually work anyhow, because all the time we are working, we are doing our work, whether it is about the education, whether it's about school, or whether it is about a working man. Every time you need to have entertainment, because you are actually getting really stressed. Therefore, you need to have entertainment. And if this is promoting entertainment,
If you
so what's
really
wrong
want
with
to
that?
get entertained, you can play sports, you can watch. When it comes to entertainment sources, there are so many entertainment sources available. There are good, clean comedy shows. There are sports to watch. There are talent shows to watch. These are so entertaining. I personally watch them too. But talking about content that promote dark humor, roasting people, making bad comments about people's appearance or anything about that person, is it good content? Is it a source of entertainment? Your mind is getting so influenced by such thoughts. And social media is thought to be a bad platform. Why? Because of these kind of contents. The entire comment section gets filled up with all these bad abusive comments because the people are getting influenced. The people, if the person who is promoting such kind of
just
content,
ban everything will be
why would you ban that?
That's
Okay,
what we
well,
are
well,
saying.
it's
Now
come to-
we're supposed to close and shut down these type of reality shows. Everything. I believe that, because these, on the name of entertainment, they just spreading the aggressiveness, vulgarness, and the type of quality of content is so misleading. Because on the name of TRP, they create a wrong way on the
Okay, it's come to reality show. So we as all believe that reality shows play very vital role in our life. But because of these reality shows, we are learning some more things. Like first one is abusive language, where they are promoted by the roadies. Like as there was a famous gang leader, Prince Aurora. Whenever he fight to someone, he used very abusive words. Where such villains are creating more violence compared to earlier. So I have seen, because of these reality shows, the students are manipulating by easily. They just copy what they want to do. they are just epitome of this thing. So I think reality shows should be banned in India.
We must know that the lots of stars in our society like Salman, Shahrukh, Sachin, not Sachin Sehwag is also there. They are promoting gutka at the name of Elaichi. It should be also banned. If our society is in our society, there are lots of things bad. The worst. So the what is we are not why are not talking about this thing, because we know that the consuming liquor is injurious to health, but still people are in the queue in the liquor shop. Why? Because they want to drink, they want to enjoy, but it's not meaning that if you are going to watch a particular show and due to this particular show you will be going to abuse with any person, so that I would like to say that this type of show should not be banned because last year the 2 months before the show, its name was Big Boss, it has completed 18 years of their show, so it means this show is running by 18 years. The most of the people are watching, enjoying, and the production houses getting lots of good amount of money they're making. So that's why this type of show is not going to ban. If the people do not watch, if the people will not watch this type of show, this show will be automatically banned, because we know that in every video of India Got Talent there is 5 to 6 million view. That time it means the people want to watch this type of show. So if you are if the people are interested, so I'm also make this type of I will also make this type of show to enjoy the people.
Like, entertainment doesn't mean to play with anyone's emotion, because we know that these kind of shows always play with anyone's emotion. If it is about Speed Villas, if it is about the Big Boss, they hurt anyone, and because of that thing only we enjoy. It's not a good thing which we are doing. Because of these decisions only, our youth can turn into a different thing. Our society will turn into a different manner. So I think this should definitely ban.
Well, you are knowing about video games, right? Such as Free Fire and PUBG. It was banned earlier, but again it came. Do you know why? Just because people were addicted to that. Because everyone was having entertainment through that video games. And therefore it came back to today we are having Free Fire India and like BGMI in the form of PUBG only. Why? Just because today we are having entertainment, and somehow it also promotes the banning cannot be the only solution, because some of banning, if you will be banning, so for sure people are the ones that are the most strongest. They will be also like creating more violence, and this may actually creating a huge impact on the economy of the country only, right? It would be actually creating a huge harm of the image of the country. So what do you think? Which is more important, the image of the country or banning the show?
Like as you mentioned that a point you may raise that image of a country, it's not even a valid point, because of the gaming and these reality shows are totally different. In gaming, this teaches lots of things. If we compare it to the reality shows are the major part is only about that destruction, violence, and all of the bad words are there. There is no any single thing that you will learn. You will learn just how to roast other, how to be cool in front of your friends, how to speak some of the different abusive language. You will learn these all things. What do you learn after this?
So from school friends also we can learn these things. In my school personally, it is happening because just they are learning abusive languages through their friends. So what's wrong in this thing? But the major thing is that people are the one that knows that what to do. If a person really wants to learn that thing, so that person will be learning. If a person really don't want to, so that person will not be.
A point was raised with your teammate only, that the supporter of your point, that 5 million views are there, 10 million views are there. Who are they? They are only the generation, the kids who are below 15, who below 18. It even shows when you see the channel, you will see the analytics. They are shown that what type of generation or what is the age limit criteria which is showing, or who is watching this. It's clearly shown, and this is just 12 to 15 years or 16 years. They are the youth, they are the generation. If they are addicted, so we should change it.
Well, this is not addiction, because India's Got Latent episodes were actually coming in in a month or in 2 to 3 months. This means that you are not actually getting addicted. It means that you want entertainment because you are somehow stressed because of your life. And we know that how stress is actually becoming a major problem. It is becoming another pandemic that is harming all of us.
See, I would like to present one more point too, because you know right now the what is happening, the people are following the the person they see on social media, they see on social media. In the case of controversial reality shows too, you have to become aware about what kind of content you're consuming. It becomes about you. If you want to solve any problem, it's about, the first step is always awareness. You have to become aware about what kind of content you're consuming. If you're consuming such content which promotes abusive languages and promotes bad content in overall terms, you have to stop it immediately. This is the point where you have to learn that what kind of information you should be getting. There are so many sources of information there on social media. Social media can actually be a great source of information, but if you're using these useful platforms to just watch controversial reality shows as a source of entertainment, that is bad, and you end up following wrong kind of person, because the so-called reality shows do not show the entire reality. The people you see on these reality shows are entirely different in their real life, so you have to learn to differentiate people whether they are good or they are bad. So what you have to do is trust yourself and trust the information that you get.